For decades, advertising relied on a high-cost gamble. You would build a message and use massive antennas for indiscriminate broadcasting, hoping that among the millions of people hearing it, a few might actually be interested in what you're selling. But for most businesses, this is a recipe for waste. The central challenge today is finding a way to locate an exact ideal customer without spending a fortune on people who will never buy. This is where digital marketing comes in, the practice of promoting products or services strictly through online channels like search engines, websites, and social media platforms. Because these channels are interactive, they allow marketers to observe specific behavioral actions. You can see what people are searching for and what they click on, which allows for a level of direct interaction that a billboard simply cannot provide. By focusing on these specific behaviors, digital marketing replaces broad, generalized guesswork with precise interactions that build trust with a specific audience at a much lower cost. To see how this works, we have to look at the consumer journey, starting from a state of zero awareness, where a person doesn't even know your brand exists. The foundational first step in this journey is content marketing. This isn't about selling, at least not yet. It involves creating and sharing valuable materials like blogs, videos, and case studies that help people solve problems or learn something new. Before a brand can ask a consumer to make a purchase, it must first manufacture an asset that is worth the consumer's time and attention. Once that content exists, the marketer faces a logistical challenge. How do you guide the right people to actually discover it? This diagram represents search engine optimization, or SEO, improving your website to appear high in search results without paying. You create content focused on specific keywords and earn links from reputable websites, these glowing lines, which pull your content up. If you need results faster than SEO can provide, you can use pay-per-click, or PPC, advertising to place your brand directly in front of users on search engines and websites. The financial mechanism here is straightforward. The advertiser pays a fee only when a user physically clicks on the ad. Social media marketing offers another path, allowing brands to reach massive audiences on platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram through organic posts or targeted ads shown to people based on their interests. Finally, there is affiliate marketing, where you partner with third parties who promote your brand to their own followers. You pay these affiliates a fee strictly when they generate a specific result, like a sign-up or a sale. By balancing free, time-intensive methods like SEO with fast, capital-intensive tactics like PPC, marketers build a sustainable ecosystem of incoming traffic. At this point, the consumer has taken the bait and clicked through to the brand's website. However, most people aren't ready to buy the very first time they visit a new site. They are still evaluating their options. This is where email marketing becomes the primary tool for maintaining that connection once the initial visit ends. By sending targeted, sequential emails, a brand can keep a potential customer engaged, helping them understand the products and guiding them through the psychological stages of the buying process. Driving traffic is only half the battle. The system only works if there is a way to nurture those visitors into eventually trusting the brand. While these strategies seem distinct, they are all driven by one overarching objective. This funnel shows the bull in action. You engage a broad, cold audience at the top, nurture them through the filtration zone, and use those touchpoints to increase the likelihood that they convert into paying customers. Because this is a repeatable, data-driven process, people looking to make this a career can find specialized professional training and certifications to master these specific tools. Ultimately, these strategies transform the vast, unpredictable internet into a measurable, highly targeted engine for business growth. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.